This video is brought to you by Hasa, providing products that deliver clean, healthy water for every aspect of everyday life. The bottom feeder, battery-powered vacuum system, because it sucks to clean pools, so cleaning pools sucks less. And by Skimmer. Skimmer software is trusted by over 30,000 pool service pros across North America. One easy way to carry the bottom feeder back to your stops is with this new bottom feeder bag. This bag has been specially designed to hold the bottom feeder, and you hold it much like you would hold a guitar case. And note, the final designed version that you will get when you order it has an adjustable shoulder strap that also can be unclipped, and you can move the strap so you can carry it on your left shoulder or right shoulder, whichever you're more comfortable with. And the bag is designed to help drain out the water in the bottom feeder when it's wet. And this bag is made out of this waterproof material. And there's also some padding on the bottom to make it comfortable to carry it. And this will make it easy to transport the bottom feeder back and forth to your stops. And the bottom feeder bag has a strap-on back, so you can wear it just like a backpack. This is a great way to transport the bottom feeder at your stops. And this allows you to have one hand free all the time to carry more stuff back, or to open gates and doors to get back to your stops. This is also an easy way to store the bottom feeder and keep it secure in your truck. Make sure to support the sponsors of this YouTube video, Skimmer, the bottom feeder, and Hasa. They make this content possible.